Good evening. Excuse me, I am very tired and a little stressed. I just lost my flight a few hours ago, and now I really need a place to stay for the night because I don't have any reservation. I don't know this city very well, and I have my suitcase with me. So I hope you can help me find a clean and quiet room. A nice room where I can rest, take a shower, and sleep well. Because tomorrow I need to wake up early and go to the airport again. Help me, please. Good evening, sir. Welcome to our hotel. Please don't worry and try to relax. Many guests arrive here in difficult situations like yours, and we're here to help you. So, first, I will check our system to see if we have any available rooms for tonight. And while I do that, may I ask you how many nights you would like to stay? And if you prefer a single room, a double room, or any special type of room with a view, a balcony, or a large bed, I would really appreciate you give me that information. Oh, great. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your kindness. And to be honest, I only need one night because I plan to take another flight tomorrow morning. And I don't need anything very fancy, just a comfortable bed, a private bathroom, and a quiet room because I am very tired from traveling all day, waiting at the airport, carrying my luggage, and feeling worried about missing my flight. So, a simple and clean room is perfect for me. I just want to rest. I understand, sir, and that sounds very reasonable. So, let me check. For a single room with a private bathroom and a comfortable bed, and I can also offer you free Wi Fi, breakfast included in the morning, room service during the night, and access to our gym and business center in case you need to print your boarding pass or check your emails before going to the airport. Many guests find these services very helpful. That sounds very good, especially the breakfast and the Wi Fi, because I need to check my new flight information and send a message to my boss. I need to explain what happened, and I also would like to take a hot shower and maybe order a light dinner from room service because I haven't eaten anything. I feel very hungry. So this hotel sounds perfect. for my situation. Very well, sir. I am happy to tell you that we do have one single room available. It is a non smoking room with a large bed, a clean private bathroom, fresh towels, air conditioning, a desk, a television, and a small minibar. And the room is very quiet because it is far from the elevator and the street, so you can sleep peacefully and wake up refreshed for your trip tomorrow. This is excellent news. Thank you so much. You know, I was very worried. I was very worried that all the hotels would be full tonight. Please tell me the price for one night because I want to be sure it is within my budget. I also would like to know if I can pay by credit card and if there is any extra charge. Of course, sir. The price for one night in this room is $80. And this price includes breakfast, Wi Fi, and all basic services. You can pay by credit card, debit card, or cash, whatever is more convenient for you. And there is no extra charge for using our services. Don't worry, that price is very fair. I'll pay by credit card because I don't have much cash with me. I really need to rest. So here's my passport and my credit card. I will take your passport and credit card for a moment to complete the check in process. And I will ask you to fill out this registration form with your full name, nationality, phone number, and signature. Here, please. Please tell me what time breakfast starts and what time I need to check out. Breakfast is served on the first floor from 6 in the morning until 10 in the morning, and checkout time is at 12 noon. But if you need an early checkout, you can simply leave your key card at the front desk and we will send you the invoice. And if you need a wake up call, a taxi, or airport transportation, just let us know. That is very helpful because I will need a taxi to the airport around 6:30 in the morning and a wake up call at 6 could be perfect. So please arrange that for me. If you need any extra pillows, blankets, or towels, you can call the front desk at any time because we are open 24 hours a day. So just call, please. Wonderful. Thank you so much for all your help. I feel very relieved now. Here is your room key card, sir. Your room number is 417. It's on the fourth floor. You can take the elevator just behind you, on the left. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your patience and your clear explanations. And I must say, this hotel service is excellent, so I am sure I will have a very good night here. And maybe next time I visit this city, I will book this hotel again. Because today you saved me from a very difficult situation. Thank you. You are very welcome, sir. We are very happy to help you. And we hope you have a comfortable stay, a good rest, and a safe flight tomorrow. So enjoy your room, enjoy your breakfast in the morning, and remember, the front desk is always here if you need anything at all.